Recommended room temperature, guys. I just gonna use heater. I know it's cold. Now I'm gonna use the primer. Always use self-etching. That's automotive primer, guys, and it's really good, guys. Alright, guys, that's primer, guys. Self-etching, maximum adhesion. It's the way it is, guys. Alright, guys, the whole bottle for primer. Alright, guys, rust stop. I'm using Ace Hardware brand. You know why? This is designed for tractor. You know how the tractor, how heavy duty it is. Interior, exterior, rust stop. Machine for machine. Gonna be solid, guys.